Good afternoon. I hope that you are in good health. Cleaning your teeth is essential for healthy teeth. But did you know eating foods that are good for your teeth is key to having a healthy smile? When you think about how food affects your dental health, you can come up with a lot of bad foods. Things that are high in sugar are going to cause cavities, and things like dark drinks will stain your teeth. Those are the obvious foods you can avoid when trying to improve your dental health. But there are some foods you should try to eat too. Good food can improve the health of your teeth and gums. You probably already know that yogurt is good for your digestive health. The same thing that causes it to get your system moving is what also makes it so good for your teeth. The good bacteria in it will slow cavity growth, so you can help your body in two different ways just by eating one food product. Apples can not only strengthen your teeth, they can whiten them too. They are great at removing stains because they contain malic acid. This acid increases saliva production, which lifts stains. The best part is that you can get any kind of apple you like. If apples aren't your thing, you can still give your teeth some help by eating lots of leafy greens. Foods like kale contain high amounts of fiber, which help your teeth first and your body second. Fibrous foods most often require a lot of chewing, which stimulates saliva and will do the same thing as apples, whiten your teeth. Kids love to eat celery with peanut butter and maybe even raisins. Turns out this helps your teeth. Celery is a naturally abrasive food, which means that while you're chewing it, it massages your gums and cleans between your teeth. Both of these get rid of old bacteria that sat in your mouth all day. In addition, naturally sweet raisins don't contain sucrose. Raisins are also a source of phytochemicals, which may kill cavity-causing plaque bacteria. Some compounds in raisins also affect the growth of bacteria associated with gum disease. Carrots are a fantastic and affordable way to take care of your mouth. Sometimes called nature's toothbrush, they cover your teeth with keratin as you chew, which prevents tooth decay. For older people who might have been warned about the high potential for tooth decay, try eating carrots to help prevent that, or put them in a blender or juicer for those with more sensitive teeth. Almonds contain calcium and iron, which are good for strengthening teeth that may have grown weaker with time. Make sure not to crack open whole almonds with your teeth. Instead, buy a can of pre-cracked almonds. Strawberries are great because they contain vitamin C and fiber. They also contain malic acid, a natural enamel whitener. Make your own at-home whitening treatment by crushing a strawberry to a pulp. Mix it with baking soda and spread it on your teeth using a soft toothbrush. After about 5 minutes, brush your teeth, floss, and rinse. Don't forget to floss, as tiny strawberry seeds can easily get trapped between your teeth. Green tea won't stain your teeth the way regular tea will, because it has a lighter color. Plus, polyphenols found in green tea slow the growth of bacteria associated with cavities and gum disease. It can also reduce your chance of getting oral cancer. Just don't put too much sugar in it when you try it out for the first time. Finding foods that will help your dental health doesn't have to be hard. As long as you do your research, you'll find lots of options to snack on while you help your teeth. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.